Hi, I'm Jason Butterick, and I live in Decatur, and I am a solar ambassador with the ISEA. Today, I'm going to share my solar story with you and show you some of the important components of my solar system. I decided in 2018 that it was time for me to go solar because of the environmental impact of fossil fuel industry and to wean ourselves off of using the earth inherently for our energy supply, as well as for the potential financial savings that come from having power generated on-site, used in-site, and having the choice to use the power of the grid only when it's needed, not that it's always wanted. Once I made my decision, I got started on the process of getting panels installed on my house. It often takes 3 to 4 months start to finish. And I signed up for an installation in April of 2018, and it was completed at about the end of June 2018. I sought quotes from several solar providers through actually the Department of Energy website. I wasn't aware of the Illinois Solar Education Association at the time, and went through the process of getting permitted through our City of Decatur's Department of Economic Development, as well as our regional power companies' oversight. Now, I have 22 panels on my home, which supplies 100%, actually more than that, of my power. The financials worked out well. We will be able to pay off a loan that we got for our solar energy system in 4 years' time. And if we also have a electric lawnmower that we charge up, a rechargeable one, and are looking at purchasing an electric vehicle in the next couple of years. And if I had any advice to someone who's considering going solar, is to do it. Is to absolutely go forward if you can, when you can, how you can, and do it. You'll be impressed and pleased with the results, not only for your bottom line, but your environmental justice. Now, let's take a look at my solar system. Here you can see my solar panels. They are installed on the south side of my house. This panel is the meter for our house. It tells us how much energy we are putting on the grid from excess solar production and how much we are taking off the grid when we are not producing enough for our solar needs. And that's the end of the tour. I hope it answered any questions you might have about what a solar array actually looks like. If you have any more questions, the Illinois Solar Education website has a lot of resources to help you. You can visit their website at www.illinoissolar.org. Thanks for watching.